Hi guys, welcome back to Steph Reviews. My name is Steph, and today I am going to review two skincare fridges that I bought over the holidays. One is Vanity Planet, and the other one is one that I bought from Amazon. If this is a video that you're interested in, please continue watching. Okay, so the first one that I want to review is the Vanity Planet fridge. It's called the, don't let me lie. I think it's called the Fridja. I'm going to open it up for you guys to see. The reason why I wanted to review this skin fridge is because I saw a lot of positive reviews and I didn't have a positive outcome or positive review in mind for this skincare fridge. And I'm going to let you know the reason why I bought a fridge from Amazon. So, let's open it up. Okay. It's in a box still because I'm about to return it. So, so this is the Vanity Planet fridge. It's called the Fridja fridge. I bought it in rose gold, and I saw so many reviews on it, how it's great, you should get it, and this retails for $249.99. I bought it on Christmas, well, for Christmas. It came before Christmas. I bought it for, I would say, $99, $100, because I wanted to try it. I wanted a skincare fridge. When I bought the skincare fridge, it had cracks, not literally cracked, but the door would not close, and I tried to close it, but it just leaves some space for air to come out, and I left my skincare products in there, and it did not cool at all. They were still warm, and it only has one switch, which is only cool, where as of the one I bought on Amazon, I'm going to show you, it has cool and warm. So I think that, I just wanted to say that the Vanity Planet skin fridge is not worth the price, that you could buy something, a better one, way cheaper on Amazon. And I'm going to show you the one I bought on Amazon. So this is the Vanity Planet fridge, and this one is the one that I bought off of Amazon. Give me one moment. This is the one that I bought off of Amazon. It's called NX1. It was on sale for $49.99 on Amazon. Or no, I'm lying. That was the other one. It was $68.99, and then there was a coupon, and it came up to $58.99. So it was like about $60 with the tax. And this is inside of it. I had to unplug it. This is inside the fridge. I got all my products in there. It comes with this shelf. This shelf was very difficult for me to place it, but I finally figured it out. That's the only thing that was difficult. But other than that, I love it. You see, when you close it, see on the side, there's no cracks on the side, and it's so easy to open. You see, it's so easy to open it up. I love it. I love. And it has a little handle for it to handle, for you to hold it, not handle, hold it. And then also on the back, it has the switch I was telling you about. You can also take it in the car, which the Vanity Planet one you can't. Like if you wanted, you don't want it for skincare. You want to go in a car or take the skincare things out, and you're going on a road trip, like me and my husband love to go to. You can take it on the road with you, and it goes from hot. It has a switch for hot and warm, and then it has the also the plug for the car plug as well too right here, and then you can plug it in at home, and it has AC, and it tells you AC or DC. DC is for the car, and then AC is for plugging it at home, and it has the hot and cold. Yep. And it warms. Oh, it's when you put the skin. I have a mask. I'm gonna show you. This is not a skincare video at all. If you want a skincare video of my routine, I will link my fall and winter skincare on top, so you guys can see what I put on my skin. But this is not a skincare routine. This one is one of my favorite masks by Revive Science, and it's a detox rebalance coral mask. Let me say that. Charcoal. Haha. Charcoal mask. Coral. I got coral from. Charcoal mask. And you can get this off of Amazon, and I would say it's about $30. I love this mask so much, and when the other day I put the mask on 2 times a day, but the other day I put the mask on from the fridge. It felt so cold. It felt so good on your skin. It's amazing. It's amazing to have a skin fridge. I just wanted to let you guys know that, you don't have to buy a $249.99 Vanity Planet fridge. You can get one off of Amazon, which is one of our favorite sites, and it works way better. It cools. I had the Vanity Planet fridge on for 2 days, and it was the same temperature as from day 1. And when I put the my skincare products into my new one that I bought off of Amazon, it just kept getting cold, kept things cool. And also one of my I'm gonna show you guys. One of my facial oils that I got that I use. This one is Beauty by Earth. Amazing product. It's organic, and they're not pricey. That's what I love about Beauty by Earth. They're organic and they're just beautiful. I put this in the skincare fridge, and it was frozen. So I had to take it out, and I would say in about 5 minutes it defrosted. But you could tell like how cold it gets. But not all of your skincare products are going to get frozen like this one. I don't know why this got frozen. Maybe it's because it was closer to the colder part, but I adjusted it to put it more up top because I think the bottom one gets cooler than the top. So I put my mask, and there's a compartment for your mask. I'm going to show you guys. I think I have one mask here. Okay, so I have this under eye collagen mask, and you could place it. I used all the ones I had in there, but there's a part on the side, or on the door, not the side, the door, where you can place your mask. Okay, try to place it in there. You can place your mask in there. Oh, maybe it's too big. Oh, it could fit. You can place your little mask in there and get it cool. And when you put it under your eyes, oh my God, it is amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing. So, I don't know why my shirt got white stuff. when you wear black. But guys, I do want to thank you for watching this video. I didn't want it to be lengthy. I wanted to just come in, just explain to you the two fridges, the one from Vanity Planet, which I see a lot of people probably bought because they had a sale, and then one that I bought off of Amazon. And sometimes when name brand is not always better than something that is off-brand or is not as popular. That's all I wanted to say. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. This is a new year. Happy New Year. And I'm gonna upload more videos like this. Please tell me if you have any suggestions of what you want me to review, and I will. Thank you very much, guys, for taking the time and watching this video. Have a great day.